Why photographers should shoot in RAW format. A detailed guide. Hey photographers, whether you're a beginner just getting into the world of digital photography or a seasoned pro looking to refine your workflow, one of the most impactful decisions you can make is choosing to shoot in RAW format instead of JPEG. At its core, RAW files retain far more data than JPEGs, which gives you unparalleled flexibility in post-processing. This means you can tweak exposure, colors, and details extensively without degrading the image quality. Let me break this down in detail so you understand exactly why making the switch to RAW can elevate your work. 1. Understanding the basics. What are RAW and JPEG files? To appreciate the advantages, it's helpful to know what these formats are. When you press the shutter button on your camera, the sensor captures light and converts it into digital data. This raw sensor data is essentially unprocessed. It's like the negative from film photography, full of potential but not yet developed. RAW format. This is the unprocessed data straight from your camera's sensor. It's not compressed, or minimally so, and it preserves all the information captured, including a wider range of tones, colors, and details. RAW files are often proprietary to camera brands, e.g., CR2 for Canon, EF for Nikon, but they can be opened and edited in software like Adobe Lightroom, Capture One, or Photoshop. JPEG format. JPEGs are processed in camera. The camera applies settings like white balance, sharpening, contrast, and compression right away, discarding some data to create a smaller, ready-to-use file. While convenient for quick sharing, this processing locks in decisions and reduces the file's editability. The key difference? RAW files are like having a full pantry of ingredients. You can cook whatever you want later. JPEGs are like a pre-made meal. It's tasty out of the box, but you can't easily change the recipe. 2. Retaining more data. The foundation of flexibility. RAW files capture and store significantly more information than JPEGs. Most cameras record 12 to 14 bits of data per color channel in RAW, compared to just 8 bits in JPEG. This translates to billions of possible color variations, versus a mere 16 million in JPEG. Dynamic range and exposure recovery. One of the biggest wins is in handling exposure. If you underexpose a shot, too dark, or overexpose it, blown out highlights, a RAW file lets you recover details that would be lost forever in a JPEG. For example, in landscape photography, where you might deal with harsh sunlight and deep shadows, RAW allows you to pull back highlights from a bright sky or lift shadows from a foreground without introducing noise or banding. In post-processing, tools like Lightroom's exposure slider can adjust by several stops, e.g. +2 or 2EV, seamlessly, whereas JPEGs might clip those areas irreversibly, leading to ugly artifacts. Color depth and white balance. Adjustments. Colors in RAW are raw, pun intended. No baked-in corrections. This means you can fine-tune white balance after the fact without quality loss. Shot under fluorescent lights that gave everything a green tint? No problem. Adjust it in editing software to make it look natural. JPEGs apply white balance in camera, so corrections later can cause color shifts or loss of subtlety. For portrait photographers, this is gold. You can enhance skin tones, saturate specific hues, like blues in a seascape, or desaturate others without the image looking muddy or posterized. Detail and sharpness. Preservation. RAW files hold on to fine details because they're not compressed like JPEGs, which use lossy compression that discards data to shrink file size. This is crucial for wildlife or macro photographers capturing intricate textures, like fur on an animal or dew on a leaf. In post, you can sharpen selectively, reduce noise, or even upscale the image slightly without it falling apart. JPEG compression can introduce artifacts like blockiness or ringing around edges, especially if you edit heavily. In essence, shooting RAW means you're not committing to the camera's interpretation of the scene. Cameras are smart, but they're not infallible. They might misjudge lighting or apply too much noise reduction, smoothing out details you wanted to keep. RAW puts you in control. 3. Greater flexibility in post-processing. This is where RAW shines brightest, the editing stage. With more data at your disposal, you can push your images further without compromising quality. Non-destructive editing. Most RAW editors work non-destructively, meaning your changes are saved as instructions rather than altering the original file. You can experiment wildly, boost contrast, recover shadows, adjust curves, and revert any time. JPEG edits are destructive. Each save compounds compression losses, leading to generational degradation. Handling challenging conditions. Think about high-contrast scenes, like a wedding with bright windows and dim interiors. RAW lets you blend exposures or use HDR techniques more effectively. For astrophotographers, RAW's low noise potential is a game-changer when stacking images or pulling details from the Milky Way. Future-proofing your work. Technology evolves. What if new software comes out that can extract even more from your files? RAW ensures you're not stuck with today's limitations. Plus, as a professional, clients might request edits months later. RAW gives you the latitude to deliver without excuses. Of course, there are trade-offs. RAW files are larger, 20 to 50 MB, 5 to 10 MB for JPEG, so you'll need more storage and processing power. They also require software to view and edit, unlike JPEGs, which are universal. But for serious photographers, these are small prices for the creative freedom. 4. Real-world examples for photographers. Portrait photography. Imagine shooting a model in golden hour light. If the exposure is off, RAW lets you correct it without skin tones looking unnatural or details in hair getting lost. Street photography. Fast-paced scenes might not allow perfect settings. RAW forgives mistakes, letting you salvage shots that would be trash in JPEG. Commercial work. Clients often want tweaks. RAW ensures you can deliver variations, e.g. warmer versus cooler tones, without reshooting. In summary, shooting in RAW empowers you to create your vision, not settle for the cameras. It's about maximizing potential and minimizing regrets. If this helped you understand the power of RAW, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more photography tips, tutorials, and gear reviews. And drop a comment below. Are you already shooting in RAW, or what's holding you back? Let's discuss.